Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can know that if someone blocked you on Snapchat. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Snapchat. So once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left. Here you need to scroll down and click on my friends. So if your friend is removed from your friend list, so it means that might be that person blocked you. And the other method is that you simply need to go back and click on this search icon. And here you need to add the person name. So here you can see that I am searching for a person name, but I am unable to find that person. So it means that this person might block me on Snapchat. So this is the process by which you can know that if someone block you on Snapchat. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.